Hi guys, my name is Seerath. I'm from Sangeet Sutra and I will be doing the Ek Pal Ka Jeena tutorial. My video is mirrored. My right is your right, my left is your left. To do the same steps, same side as me. Yes, let's just go over the steps once. So we start with facing the left side. The left hand is out. The hands go. I'm just teaching the hands first. Push, push, 1, 2. Push, push, 1, 2. So you go 1, 2, right, back. 1, 2, right, back. So I go 1, 2, I turn it, I get it back. 1, 2, turn back. This thing happens 4 times. 5, 6, 7, go. Ta-ra-ta-ra, 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 ta-ra-ta-ra. So your look also goes when your hand goes here. So you look forward, back, forward, and forward, and forward, and. Yes? What do I do with my legs? My legs go right, join the left, right, join the left, right, join the left, right, join the left. This happens 4 times. 5, 6, 7, go. Ta-ra-ta-ra, 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 ta-ra-ta-ra. Nice. Now, let's do it with the hands. Left hand forward. You go ta-ra-ta-ra. So, right leg, join the left. Right leg, join the left. Right leg, join the left. Yeah? 5, 6, 7, go. Ta-ra-ta-ra, 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 ta-ra-ta-ra. This is 4 times. From here we start with the dance. You go 1, 2. So you're showing the number 1 with your index finger and that's when you tap your right leg. 1, 2. Now you tap your left leg 2 times. That's when you open your left hand. 3, 4. Once more. 5, 6, 7. Go. Ek pal ka jeena. From here you go 1, 2, 3, 4. It's like you're saying go away, go away, go away, go away. So near the shoulders, above your head, shoulders above your head. We were here. You go bend up, bend up. What did I do? I slightly squat, I lift my left leg up, slightly squat, lift my right leg up. 5, 6, 7, go. Fir to hai jana. Once more, let's take it from here. 5, 6, 7, go. Ek pal ka jeena, fir to hai jana. Now your right leg is up. That's when you step the right leg down and go sway to the right, sway to the left, sway to the right, sway to the left. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. You don't have to move too much forward, too much in the front. You can take 2 steps forward and leave the rest in place. When you do this, what do your hands do? Your hands are like this, elbows are out. You go 1, 2, 3, 4. See, my hands go out, out the second time. Once more, what did I do? I am here. I did sway, sway, go away, go away. Let's take it from here. 5, 6, 7, go. Ek pal ka jeena, fir to hai jana. Tohfa kya leke jaye. Very good. From here, I'll just teach you one more step. Your right hand is a fist. That's when it hits your heart. Point out. Heart, point out. So, I don't have any leg movement in this, but I transfer my weight to the left, to the right, to the left, to the right. Yeah, once again, 5, 6, 7, go. Dil ye batana. Let's take it from Ek pal ka jeena. 5, 6, 7, go. Ek pal ka jeena, fir to hai jana. तोहफा क्या लेके जाए दिल ये बताना. Yes, let's do it once again. Now let's join it from the top till here. This is your first section. 5, 6, 7, go. Ta-ra-ta-ra, 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 ta-ra-ta-ra. Ek pal ka jeena, fir to hai jana. तोहफा क्या लेके जाए दिल ये बताना. Now, from here, the second part, my left hand goes out, right hand goes out. Both the times my palms face me. See? 1, 2, 3, 4. How do I look? I look at my left hand and then I look forward when my right hand comes up. That's when I tap my leg 4 times, left leg. Tap, 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 tap. 5, 6, 7, go. खाली हाथ आएंगे हम. Once more. So our last step was दिल ये बताना. खाली हाथ आएंगे हम. Now to step your left leg out, drag your right leg in, right leg out, drag the left leg in. That's when you use your right hand and say push and push. So my opposite hand and opposite leg. See, right hand, left leg. Push away, push away. Once more. What did we do? We did खाली हाथ आएंगे हम, खाली हाथ जाएंगे. Yes, once more. 5, 6, 7, go. खाली हाथ आएंगे हम, खाली हाथ जाएंगे. From here, my left hand is, both hands are fist again. Left hand is closer to your chest, right hand is out. You go push out, pushing, push out, pushing. So I go forward and back. Forward, back. Push, push. So when I go forward, I go push and down. Push and down. You don't have to move the right hand too much. 1, 2, 3, 4. Once more. Let's do it from here. 5, 6, 7, go. खाली हाथ आएंगे हम, खाली हाथ जाएंगे, बस प्यार के 2 मीठे. From here, my right hand, my index, both my fingers just go 1, 2, 3, 4 from the mouth. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I did बस प्यार के 2 मीठे. Tap your right leg and go 1, 2, 3, 4. So right now my body is facing the left side. When I do this, I face forward. Yes? Let's take it from here. 5, 6, 7, go. खाली हाथ आएंगे हम, खाली हाथ जाएंगे, बस प्यार के 2 मीठे बोल झिलमिलाएंगे. Well, this is the second part. From here, I go to my right and then open my left leg. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2. What do my hands do? I cover my face. So, हंस. Now I do the Shah Rukh Khan step. Ki duniya. That's why I only step the left leg and put my weight all on the left. Yeah, my body is still facing the audience. My body doesn't face the right. Fine, so we finished. बोल झिलमिलाएंगे तो हंस के भी दुनिया. Now you take the right hand and go circle, 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 circle. 4 times. That's when you tap the right leg and you turn from the left shoulder going 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do it once again. 5, 6, 7, go. तो हंस के भी दुनिया. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's just do it from here till here and then we do the chorus. 5, 6, 7, go. खाली हाथ आएंगे हम, खाली हाथ जाएंगे, बस प्यार के 2 मीठे बोल झिलमिलाएंगे तो हंस के भी दुनिया. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. Now the next step we have to jump 4 times. How do we jump? We cross the right leg forward, then comes back. Right leg forward, comes back. Every time we are only crossing the right leg forward. See? 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, go. ए मेरे दिल को. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's when my hands go cross, open. 1, 2. So I did cross, open. Left hand comes on my left ear, right hand points up. 1, down. This happens 2 times. Watch. ए मेरे दिल तो जाए जा. So we jump 8 times. 5, 6, 7, go. ए मेरे दिल तो. I can slightly bend my body when I'm doing this. 5, 6, 7, go. ए मेरे दिल तो जाए जा. Now from here I just go snap, 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 snap. That's when I tap my right leg. Snap, 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 snap. right and left, and you move forward. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I want you to do a circle. Circle. Yes, 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2. Let's do it from here. 5, 6, 7, go. A, I, A, O, A, A. Yes, let's take it from here. 5, 6, 7 and ए मेरे दिल तो जाए जागो ए आए आओ आए आ. Repeat the same set again. ए मेरे दिल तो जाए जा ए आए आओ आए आ. Yes, so the chorus part repeats 2 times. After that, after you finish it the second time, you repeat the first step, but it comes 4 times. The first 2 times all of you will stand, only Drew will do it 2 times, and then the next 2 times you all join him in doing this. Yes, let's once do it from the chorus till here. 5, 6, 7, go. ए मेरे दिल तो जाए जा ए आए आओ आए आ. Repeat. ए मेरे दिल जाए जा ए आए आओ आए आ. Then only Drew will do ta-da ta-da ta-da. Everybody ta-da 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 ta-da. Thank you so much.